Today, I'm gonna show you 15 secret IKEA hacks that are gonna upgrade your bathroom, but the trick is, I'm not gonna be allowed to shop from the bathroom section at IKEA. I'm gonna take you with me inside IKEA, as well as at the end, I'm gonna show you my IKEA haul so you can see my IKEA products that I'm gonna use in my bathroom to make my space look more organized and more luxurious, so let's go. First, we're gonna start with some of the bigger items. And if you've got dead space next to your vanity or maybe on a wall, this section's for you. I was in the kitchen area and I saw this awesome section kitchen cabinet that it actually was a wall cabinet, but I could easily see this very narrow cabinet. You'd be able to put it on the floor next to your toilet or next to your vanity for some very narrow storage, and it also included some drawers. There's also the EKET storage system, which I think is absolutely perfect because they have these very narrow cabinets that you could put next to your toilet or next to your vanity that has doors as well as drawers or just open shelving, and there's all different kinds of colors. This next hack actually tackles something that is a black hole for me and a lot of us, and that is the space underneath your sink. I found some more amazing items in the kitchen section that we can use in the bathroom. The UTRUSTA is a pull-out shelving system that's a two-tiered shelf that you can actually pull out, and it is designed to fit around your plumbing underneath your sink. I love this for things like cleaning products or having extra toilet paper. I also got the UTRUSTA, which is a pull-out tray that you can actually install that pulls out from underneath your sink so you can store some of your smaller items. And the other thing I got that I thought was pure genius was the HÅLLBAR system, which are these pull-out little bins that have a pull-out shelf, and you could use this for putting trash or cleaning supplies. With these pull-out organization options, they're going to make you super organized and look like you have a super custom bathroom vanity, which I think is absolutely brilliant. For hack number 3, I went to the garden department and also the shoe storage area to find these for you. The GÅRDSBUTIK is actually a wall-mounted recycling system that I thought would be perfect to have a wall-mounted storage cabinet, and you could use it as a trash can, but you also could use it to store things like towels or other toiletries. And I also found these shoe cabinets that I thought were super stylish and very slim, and they could fit if you had a wall in your bathroom to store items like washcloths, robes, towels. You might even be able to use it like a hamper, or you could put things like toilet paper. So I thought that the TRONES system was very nice. And then they also are very affordable as well. And then there's also the Gulliver, which is another storage system that's for shoes. And then the Stall as well, which I thought these were all great options to have that very slim storage. If you have a wall behind your door, you could put these there and have extra storage there as well, while it also looks really nice. Now this next hack is straight out of the children's department. And that's going to be this wall storage rack that I have seen many people use in the playroom or in a kid's room to hold books. And you could use this smaller rack to hold things like children's toys. You could also hold decor, maybe it's a picture. You also could put things like your toothbrush or toiletries if you really needed that extra storage space. I love the wood color on this, and you can actually stain it in different colors. That's a secret little hack that you can match to your vanity, or they have colored ones too that you could add a fun and playful element to your bathroom. And I'd love to hear from you. How did you like that IKEA hack? And also, do you have any favorite IKEA hacks that you absolutely love and want to share with our community? Let me know down in the comments below. Now, hack number 5 was also from the shoe storage department, and that's the GÅRDSBUTIK. Again, I'm probably butchering that name, but it is a little rack that you would put inside your cabinet, and that's gonna be the GÅRDSBUTIK. And it is something, it's a little metal wire rack that you use to store shoes on. If you have a larger vanity cabinet, you could put that inside your vanity cabinet to give you another tier of storage inside to put cleaning products and toilet paper. Now, hack number 6 is all about getting stuff off your counter, because having cluttered countertops is very chaotic and it's not very luxury looking. So the UTRUSTA is actually an adjustable hook rack that is typically used in the kitchen. And you could use it in your bathroom for those smaller storage items. Another great item I found was this rail and hook system, and that's called the HÅLLBAR, which is a hanging rail. And what I liked a lot about these kitchen hook and rail systems was that they are actually available in a ton of different finishes. They had black, they had brushed nickel, they also had brass ones. So really, with any look that you have, you're gonna find something that'll go with it. And they have all these cute little accessories and baskets that you can hang on the hooks to store your different items like your toothbrushes or makeup and hair products. And the other thing that I saw that I hadn't seen before was the HÅLLBAR. I'm not sure I'm saying that. It's a wooden rack with baskets on it, and I really love this as well. You could put hair tools, washcloths, all different kinds of things on here so you get everything off your countertop. Now, hack number 7 is going to be mobile storage solutions, which I thought was amazing and would be really great if you have those tight spaces. So I saw the Nisa Force, which is a very slim rolling storage cart. It was made out of plastic, but it did come in a fun color. And I thought it was thin enough it would slide in next to your toilet if you had a very small space. And then I saw the Jadispo, which was a smaller cart on wheels. And it was great for hair tools or cleaning supplies, and you could roll it around wherever you needed it or even put toilet paper on there. Now let's talk lighting, because I love me some IKEA lighting. I can get lost in that section. And hack number 8 needs 0 electricians. And that's because I found the KÖLVATTEN, which is a wireless LED light that you can stick up, and it's typically used in a kitchen, but you could also put this in your bathroom underneath the vanity or underneath the shelf to give you an additional source of light. It's motion activated, so no electrician required. And I'm gonna show you guys how this looks in my bathroom at the end, so stick around for that. Now, since we're on lighting, hack number 9 is also about lighting, and it's about how to give you a really great vibe for your bathroom. And I saw this amazing light that I absolutely love. It's called the MÅNALG, and it's a rattan wall light, and it's a plug-in light, and it has a little cord that you can just pull to turn it on. And I thought that would be great as a secondary light source in your bathroom, especially maybe a powder room that you could turn on in the evenings and have that second source of light so you're not just having the overhead. Then I also saw some amazing sconces. My favorite was the KABOMBA, which is a black sconce with 3 circular different lights on it. And I thought this was really something that would elevate your space. And it would also be something great to put at your eye level around your mirror to give you that warm glow. Then I saw a really cute decorative lantern, the Hostgal, and that is gonna be something that you could add if you have room for decor, and you could put a LED candle inside or even a real candle and have this really cute lantern. It came in a couple different finishes as part of your decor. Now, hack number 10 is all about the open shelving. So a lot of people may not like open shelving, but I think it can work in a bathroom, especially if you're short on space. Now, one of the shelves that I absolutely love is the Moslanda. And I love this because we actually put this in my son's room, and you can use this. It's a picture ledge. That's typically how you would put a picture on it, but you could actually turn it upside down to have it a traditional shelf. And it's really slim. So I think you could put this underneath a mirror over your toilet, which is where I'm probably gonna put this, and really have that additional little ledge that you could put decor on or store your different bathroom items. Then I saw another amazing shelf, the FLISAT, which is a rattan shelf that I thought added a kind of a boho vibe. It also added those natural elements, and I thought that was another great addition that I found at IKEA that would be perfect for your bathroom. Then the other thing I saw was the Skomacare, which the name allegedly means shoemaker, but it is a 2-tiered shelf that I thought would be perfect for your bathroom as well. Again, probably over the toilet or another area that you could have decor items as well as store some of your everyday items. And if you're liking this video so far, hit that like button and consider subscribing. It lets YouTube know that you like videos like this, and it also helps me out too. Hack number 11 is going to help you organize your things that you don't want out in the open. So going back to the kitchen section, I found some really great baskets. So the Rissatorp, which is a wire basket, I thought those would be perfect for storing hair tools, curling irons, and things like that. And another one I saw was the Vimpelnäsne. I know I'm butchering that name, but it has built-in dividers and a handle that I thought, again, would be perfect for putting either of these baskets underneath your sink to organize. And I thought both of these baskets would be great for putting underneath your sink to help you organize your hair tools and your cleaning supplies. Now, hack number 12 is going to make your countertop look not only organized, but also expensive. Now, Blika's 2-tier organizing system actually helps you put your different skincare products or makeup or other items on a 2-tiered tray on top of your countertop, and it has a lot of style because it has those wooden trays. And then I found a ton of serving trays, again from that kitchen area, that I thought were just perfect for putting different decor items or maybe even corralling your toothbrush holder. So there was the Stockholm, which is a beautiful brass color that I thought really added a touch of class. And then there's the Snorling, the Svicharon, and Fangroda. And there was also something called the Frukst. And I am sorry I'm butchering these names, but the IKEA names are not super easy to pronounce. I even saw just a simple white oval-shaped serving plate that I thought would be cute as well for styling your home decor or maybe some other items like your soap dish on your countertop. And I actually decided to bring home the Ostbit, which is a very tiny tray meant for cheese to use in my bathroom, and you're gonna need to stick around to the end so you see how I style it. Now, hack number 13 is from the wine department, and I thought that this was a really fun way that you could actually take this wooden wine rack to have that wood and have that natural material in your bathroom, and you could turn it on its side and put rolled up washcloths or other items in it to have some vertical storage and also get that natural material in your space. And hack number 14 might be one of my most creative. That's because it uses a plastic bag dispenser, which is the Variera. And this was something that was designed to be mounted on the wall, and you could put in all your used plastic bags so you could take them out and reuse them again. But you could use it in your bathroom as maybe you could put some toilet paper rolls in there. Also, you could put rolled up washcloths or hand towels and put those in there to dispense them one by one in a very creative way. Now, hack number 15 is going to be the cheapest one I found on the list, but it also might be the most useful too. Introducing the Smacker. So this was from the kitchen department, and it is a utensil holder, and it was only $1.79. But if you drop it in your vanity drawer, it can very easily hold a ton of makeup brushes, toothpaste, and other smaller items in a very organized way, and it's super inexpensive. You also can use items to organize your drawers like the UTRUSTA, which also has a pegboard organizer that you can change the pegs to store different items, and I thought that would be really great if you had a larger drawer that you needed to organize. You could use that as well in your bathroom to really have that customized layout for your drawer system. Oh, and by the way, if you are watching this video and you are trying to upgrade your space and you want to reimagine it in a new look, I've got something that's really gonna help you out so much. It is called Bathroom Design Magic, and it is my AI bathroom design tool that I actually created myself. And you can upload a picture of your space and it'll help you reimagine it in different design styles, as well as color palettes. It even will give you product recommendations. So try it for free today. Your first 2 designs are free on me, and that's at bathroomdesignmagic.com. Now let's get back to the video. Now we're gonna show you all my IKEA haul that I got in action here that we're using in my bathroom. So first off, I wanted to show you guys the HÅLLBAR system. So I did have to modify this, but I thought that this was actually pretty cool. I actually installed this myself. It just screws into the bottom, and I did have to modify the back here and kind of cut this off to fit around my pipe. But I do like this because these little buckets come out, so you could put cleaning supplies in here like I did, or you could also use it for a trash can and put your different smaller storage here on the bottom. And I really like this because I love how it slides out, and that makes it feel more custom, and it's just much easier to access all your supplies. The other thing that I got were these little baskets, and I saw so many cute. This is the Ronin basket, which I thought was just perfect for cleaning supplies. Then I wanted to show you guys the little tray. So this is actually a cheese tray that they have at IKEA, and this is like a raw wood that you could actually stain. So if you had a darker color wood, maybe you wanted to match it, you could always stain this, and I really love this to display your decor, or maybe you're gonna put your soap dish and cotton balls and stuff like that on this beautiful tray. The other thing I wanted to show you were the lights. So I finally put up my mood lighting. This is my under cabinet light, the KÖLVATTEN, and I thought that this was rechargeable, but this is actually battery operated, but they do have wireless rechargeable ones there at IKEA. I just didn't buy it, but this is the KÖLVATTEN, and I actually put this right under here. And what I love about this, I actually decided to just put it on with Velcro. I just added some industrial Velcro, and that way it's super easy to take it off and put the batteries on, and it's motion activated. So I really love this light, and it's gonna add that layered lighting look that's really gonna elevate your space. The other item that I got that actually was a little bit of a disappointment that didn't work out too well is this UTRUSTA. So this thing is actually pretty long, and when I tried to put it in here, it just barely fit. So that is one word of caution on here. It would fit, but just barely. So you need to have enough depth on your cabinet in order to make this fit underneath. And this is gonna go, basically, it would go under here, and it actually is on a pull-out, so you can slide it out and access your small storage and slide it back in. You could definitely install it in yours if you have enough clearance in the back. The other item that I found from the kitchen section was actually so cute, and I loved this idea, where I put my makeup brushes and some of my makeup in there, and I stored in my drawer. So this little guy is the Valvara Dad. I'm probably butchering that, but it is a utensil holder that I'm actually putting my makeup and stuff like that in. And I thought this was great because you could either leave it on your counter and have it on your counter, or you could just store it away. It's something that you pull out every day, like your makeup, or maybe it's your toothbrush and stuff. And that way you can pull it out and pull it back in a one convenient little basket. The other hack I wanted to show you that was absolutely amazing is using this smacker, which is the utensil organizer, only $1.78, to give me an extra layer of storage in my drawer here. I thought this was actually brilliant, that I could put my toothpaste and stuff for my son and my husband, and then I had all my makeup and everything underneath. This gives me a whole nother layer of organization, and definitely worth the $1.78. And last but not least is the Moslanda. I love the shelf. I love the color. It comes in different colors. And what I like about this is that you can put it in either way. So you can install it like this and put a lot of decor on it. You could also put it like this. This is originally, it was designed to be a picture ledge shelf. So you could actually use it to put artwork and stuff like that, which who doesn't need more artwork in their bathroom? And you also could put little decor, or maybe you have a diffuser. So I really like this, and I thought this was a great idea to put above a toilet, and that's where I'm gonna put it in my other bathroom. I just ran out of time for this video. And now that I've shown you all the bathroom hacks that are super secret from other areas of the store, don't you wanna get some more hacks from IKEA? If you do, you've gotta watch my secret IKEA hacks for your kitchen, and I'm gonna link to that right here, and I'll see you in that next video.